Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back with another video. Today we will deal with different shortcuts in MS Excel. If we want to filter, then we enter Control, Shift and L. If we want to defilter this, we enter Control, Shift and L. To format our cells, we press Control and 1. To create table, we enter Control and D. To insert row, we enter Control and plus. Entire row and OK. If we want to delete this row, we enter Control and subtraction sign. Entire row and enter. To add a column, we firstly select the column and enter Control plus. If we want to delete this column, we enter Control and subtraction sign. If we want to format our column into numbers, we enter Control, Shift and 1. If we want to format our column into currencies, then we enter Control, Shift and 4. If we, if we want to add all values of column G, then we enter Alt is equal to and enter. So it added and create a sum of G column. Thank you very much.